How to download Valorant on PC. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download Valorant on PC. To begin with, you want to first thing launch or open your web browser. On the web address bar, type in Valorant. After you do it so, you can click on the first link that appears, that is playvalorant.com. Now here, you want to do is click on play for free. It will then take you to the next page. So if you want to install it, just click on the PC button right over here. So on the web address bar, you want to type in download Valorant. When you do it so, click on the first link that appears. After which, you will then be able to see this interface. So click on play now. And next you want to do is click on the PC icon or select what you have. Now then click on the sign in button, enter in the credential and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on My Account from the right hand side corner, go to Game Download. When you go to Download, once again click on Download. This is going to install the exe file in the top right hand side corner. Now all you need to do is just open up your file explorer, or you could go to the exe file, double click on it and it's going to show you this pop-up. So click on Run. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, that is tap on the install button, confirm all of it and accept all the terms and conditions. And with that being said, you'll have successfully installed Valorant to your PC. Then you could go ahead and log in or sign in with your account, and that way you'll have successfully created your account as well as installed Valorant to your device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.